This is a room tour of room 3763 in the Gallery Tower at Downtown Grand Hotel and Casino. And you can't miss your room number, can you really? It's big enough. So this is the new tower. Well, when I say new, it opened in September 2020, but it still seems new to me purely because of the length of time us Brits took to get back to Vegas after that time. So in this particular room, it's a regular king room, lovely walk-in shower. You have to excuse my stuff laying around. I've stayed here for a couple of days now. I'm checking out tomorrow. Great mirror. It's a single sink, all very new. Towels down the bottom there, and your toilet in the corner. And then your hanging space is in here. Not too many hangers. On and ironing board, and your safe is at the bottom there. So the background here, you have a full-length mirror for checking yourself out before you go out for the evening. I've got my case here, but there's sort of a seating bench area and a little, I don't know, sort of table type thing. All your drawer space there. Decent sized LG TV. And a seat there. I never really understand these chaise lounge type things. It's like, you know, it would be really, for me, uncomfortable to lie on that. And then you got I guess you could lie there and eat your food, have that sort of round the other way, sort of that side, I guess. Now the thing that's really helpful here, you've got all sorts of ports at the back. And not only in the plugs, you've also got it on the light stand as well. The bed is super comfortable. I've slept very, very well here for the last 2 nights. You got coffee, and you get 2 bottles of water that they replace every day. And down here, bizarrely, you have like a coat hook, but you can't really put a coat down there, so I guess it's for baseball caps and I guess a lady's handbag and that type of thing. And just to show you the ports without anything of mine plugged in, there you go. And I've got a view of the pool. So you've basically got 3 towers here at Downtown Grand, and I've got all the room tours from the other towers on my channel if you care to look. But you've got the Grand Tower, which is the one to the left there, the Casino Tower, which is the one to the right, which I've stayed in both of those. I mean, the only slight issue you might get, and I was speaking to some people who watch my channel who are also here at the same time as me this time, is you might get some noise from Fremont or the Hogs and Heifers bar just down there in those 2 towers. Now, I can honestly say, in this tower, I've literally not heard one person even walk past my room. It's really, really quiet. So it's a great option if you're a light sleeper or that bothers you. It's definitely worth staying here in the Gallery Tower. I got 3 nights comped, pretty much due to the channel really. But it's a really, really good option for staying downtown for sure. As you know, I love the Downtown Grand. Take care.